Let's begin in a seated position. Cross your shins and let your sit bones root, and settle your shoulders right over the hips. Push down through the seat and grow tall through the crown. Seated twist. Bring your right hand behind you and your left hand to your right knee. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Twist right, exhale, rotate your right rib cage back. Gently unwind. Now the other side, left hand behind you, right hand to the left knee. Sit tall, take a breath in. Twist your left rib cage back, exhale. Release the twist. Find eagle arms, right arm over left. Lift your arms up, inhale. Curl down, exhale. Take a few more rounds on your own. From here, neutral spine, inhale the arms overhead. Plant the right hand down by your side, stretch the left arm straight out to the left side and tilt the head to the right. Exhale. Come back to neutral. Eagle arms other side, left arm over right. Push your elbows up, stretch your shoulders, breath in. Curl your elbows in, exhale. Use the breath and flow at your own pace. Return to neutral and inhale the arms up. Exhale, neck stretch. Left hand grounds down, right fingertips reach away, head tilts left. And back to center. Bound angle pose. Draw the soles of the feet together and let the knees open wide. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale, fold over the legs. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Keep length through the low back and exhale, fold. Stay folded over and slowly walk your hands to the right. Maybe stack your left hand on top of the right. Now walk your hands over to the left. Walk the hands back to center. Slowly rise back up. Roll over your shins and find tabletop. Lizard pose. Walk your hands a few inches forward, then step your right foot to the outside edge of your right hand. Let's set up for a twist. Right toes point more to the side, right hand to right thigh. Press the hand into the thigh and twist right. Slowly unwind. Come back to tabletop. Lizard other side, hands forward, left foot steps up and out wide. Swivel the left foot to point more to the side, left hand to left thigh. Press your left hand into your thigh and spiral the chest to the left. Look beyond your left shoulder. Gently unwind. Come back up to tabletop. Begin to make your way down onto your back. Reclined cow face, cross the right leg over the left, flex the feet and bring hands to shins. Then draw the legs close. Other side now, cross left leg over right. Then pull the legs towards you. Uncross the legs and hug the knees in. Take one last big breath in. Exhale, release everything down and find Shavasana. Stay for as much time as you would like here. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.